Hello everyone. So as we know that we are solving the top 50 array questions according to Geek for Geeks. So right now what we are going to solve, we are going to solve the question, find the occurrence of an integer in the array. Okay. So this is the question, and we have given a vector n positive integers and integer x. So the task is to find the frequency of x in vector. So what do we mean by that? What does the question mean? So let's find out. So let's imagine we have a array. Okay, we have an array or different integer. We have like 5, 2, 3, 5, 7, 5. Okay, this is the array, and we have given a x. We have given a x, and x is equal to 5. Okay, so in this what we have to do, we have to find out that how many times 5 is in the array, how many times 5 is in the array. Okay, so if we want to find out, then we can just count that. Okay, so we have 5 here, so this is one time. We have 5 here, so this is two times. And we have 5 here, so this is three times. So we can say that we have 5 three times in the array. Okay, so how can we find out that? So it's very easy. Just we are going to run a loop. Okay, and at every iteration, what we are going to do, at every iteration we are going to check that is current element equal to x, is current element equal to x. Okay, so we will be here at the 0th index, so we will check that is 5 is current element is 5 is equal to x. So yes, it is. So what we are going to do, we will take a count variable. We will take a count variable which is going to take care of the count. Okay, so yes, 5 is equal to x, so the count will be 1. Okay, then that we have 5 one time in the array. In the next iteration we are at 2. Okay, so we are going to check that is current element, which is 2, is equal to 5. No, it is not. Okay, so what we are going to do, we will move forward, and in the next iteration we are at 3. So again we will check that is current element equal to 5. No, it is not. Okay, so what we are going to do, we're going to move forward, and in the next iteration we are at 5 again. So here we are going to check, is our current element equal to x? Then yes, it is. So what we are going to do, we are going to update the count from 1 to 2. Okay, after that we are going to move forward. In the next iteration we are at 7. So is 7 equal to 5? No, it is not. Okay, so just move forward, and in the next iteration we add 5 again. So we are going to check, is 5 equal to x? Then yes, it is. And if it is, then what we are going to do, we are going to check, update our count to 2 to 3. So now in this way we have calculated how many times 5 is in the array. So we have 5 is 3 times in the array. So we are going to return the count, and this is all. This is how we can solve this array. So let's go to the code editor, and let's write the code for this. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do, we need to declare a global variable which is count. So initially we are imagining that count is at 0 times. Okay, okay, and after that we are going to run a loop. So for the I is equal to 0, and we are going to run this loop to the length. Okay, just keep increasing the I. At every instance, what we are going to do, we are going to check that is current element equal to x. If it is, then what we are going to do, we are going to increase the count. And after all this, we need to just return the, okay. So let's try to run this code. Let's see that is test cases are getting passed or not. Yes, as we can see that our expected output is equal to our own output. Okay, so and just try to submit this code and let's see that if it is correct and correct code or not. So you can see that we have solved this question. Okay, and from here, the next question we are going to solve is sort the array of 0, 1, and 2. Okay, so until then, thank you.